Hello, first graders, and welcome back to your social studies job for today. Our target skill for today is I can use symbols on maps to represent real things. So we've seen a couple of these words before from yesterday. This word represent, it just means to show real things. So we, as first graders, are going to use and make up our very own symbols and our very own maps to represent or show real things today. So, as a review, a symbol is a picture or an object that stands for something. It means something else. Your map key is the place that shows where each symbol on a map stands for. So in your map key, you will have your picture, and then you will write the word as to what it means. What does it stand for? So today's job, boys and girls, you are creating a map of your bedroom. I cannot wait to see because everyone's is going to look different. So, to help us warm up, I'm going to do one of my bedroom. So, up here, it says, bedroom. That's where you'll write your name. So, I will write Miss Rossman. All right, so that's my map title. So the people that read my map will know what's going to be on it. So this box, boys and girls, is where your map will go. And this box is where your map key will go. The instructions say, draw a map of your bedroom. Draw and label symbols in the map key. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to draw in my bedroom is my bed. So I am going to draw a square, and I'm going to put 2 pillows on it. This, I'm going to say, stands for my bed. So I'm going to then write that word, bed. So in my map key, I have my picture and my word. What does the picture mean? So now I can go and I can put my picture in my bedroom. So in my bedroom, my bed is up against a wall. So I'm going to draw it like this. So now you may look at that, because I'm not a very good artist, but I try my best. You may look at that and say, I don't know what that means. What is that supposed to be? A rug? A couch? So you go down to your map key and I can see, oh, it's a bed. So the pictures match. Another thing that I need to put in my bedroom is a dresser or a chest of drawers. So I'm going to draw another box, but this time I'm going to put lines on it like this. And that's going to be my drawers. My drawers. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to put my drawers in my bedroom. So now when you see that picture, you don't have to guess, is it a bookshelf? Is it something else? You can match the pictures and know that, oh, it's the drawers, because the map key helps you read the map. All right, boys and girls, I cannot wait to see all of your details in your room. Do you have a rug? Maybe you have some toys in your room. Draw them on the map key and then create the map of your very own bedroom. If you would like to add color, I'd love to see some color as well. Have fun, first graders!